Hi everybody!
Hey, it's good to see you again. Emma and I have some good news to share with you. The good news, the first one is that our country, Malaysia, is celebrating our 64th birthday soon.
And we're having a promo!
Right. To celebrate the nation's 64th birthday, we're having a promo on our e-learning courses.
What are the promo?
Good. If you head on to our website, these are the 4 e-learning courses that will be undergoing a promo. The first one will be the All Access account. The usual price of the All Access account is this per year. But if you look at the promo now, this is what you'll be paying. It's just $64 US. 64 because it's the nation's 64th birthday. So hurry, if you sign up now, the price is just going to be $64 US for the whole year. And if you continue to subscribe to this, you will enjoy this price forever. With the All Access account, you will have access to all the e-learnings that you see here, and at the same time our highly popular premium courses. And additionally, we have 3 more e-learning courses undergoing promo now, which is going to be 50% off. These are the 3s. So quickly, if you head on to our promo page now, you're going to see the products that are under promo now. And I strongly suggest that you take advantage because this promo is just going to be for the next 2 weeks.
Good news number 2.
That's right, Emma and I just finished shooting a YouTube video that will guide you step by step on how to shoot amazing photos. So if you're new to photography or you just bought a camera, you do not want to miss this video. It's coming soon.
So what's the third good news?
If you head on to premium courses now, we have added a new section called Getting Started with Photography. So if you have just bought a camera or getting started with photography, getting yourself an All Access account or subscribing to premium courses would be the best deal because of this new section. We'll guide you step by step how you can shoot amazing photos, just effortless. So I hope you head on to our website now and show the support, and we can't wait to show you this new video that we did.
And remember, subscribe to our channel. Bye!